This is my 1977 Datsun 280Z barn find. Sat for about 15 years. Pulled it out, got it back to running condition, and it is now my daily driver. It still has all the original bumpers and wheels and tires. I've taken all that off and stored them away. And all the original interior, except for an upgraded sound system and dash cover. Is that right there? Here's the rear hatch. Starts up every time. Haven't had any problems out of it. It is straight pipe, so it has a nice good sound. Everything works. Give you a shot at the engine. Painted valve cover. Pretty much stock. Let you get a sound of the exhaust. Yep, that's it though. I love it, and it turns heads everywhere we go. I would definitely recommend one.